In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Klaviyo form into your Shopify store. This is a great way to allow visitors to sign up directly through your store, enhancing your engagement and expanding your customer base. So what does it mean to embed a Klaviyo form into your Shopify store? Essentially, you start by building an embed form within your Klaviyo dashboard. Once your form is designed and ready, Klaviyo provides you with an embed code, which you'll need to copy. This code is then pasted into your Shopify site, whether it's on a particular page, a specific section, or a theme file, ensuring the form appears exactly where you want it on your store. Let's start by creating and publishing the embed form in Klaviyo. Begin by logging into your Klaviyo account and navigating to the Sign Up Forms section found in the left menu. Once there, click on Create Form and ensure you select the embed type. This form type will generate HTML code that you can easily place anywhere on your site. You have the option to either construct a completely new form from scratch or use one of Klaviyo's templates. Take your time to design your form to your liking. Consider the fields, styling, and overall look. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and publish it. After publishing, Klaviyo will provide you with the crucial embed code consisting of HTML and JavaScript. Remember to copy this code as you'll need it soon. As a helpful note, you can always retrieve this code later by checking the Targeting and Behavior tab within the form editor if needed. Now let's move on to adding this code into your Shopify store. Depending on where you'd like the form to show up, there are several approaches. Firstly, if you want the form on a standalone page, like a subscribe page, head to your Shopify admin and select Online Store followed by Pages. Open an existing page or create a new one where you'd like the form to be placed. Find the page editor and switch to the HTML or code view. This is usually accessed by clicking a button labeled or Show HTML. Paste your copied Klaviyo embed code into this section and don't forget to save your changes. Always check your live site afterward to ensure the form is displaying properly. An alternative is to embed the form into a theme section or template, making it visible across multiple pages, such as the footer or a persistent sidebar location. For this, in your Shopify admin, navigate to Online Store and then Themes. For your active theme, click on Actions and select Edit Code. Choose an appropriate location for the form, like theme.liquid, footer.liquid, or wherever your design needs it. Insert the embed code as desired. Save the file, and preview your store to ensure it looks as expected. For those using Shopify's older themes, known as vintage themes, additional custom sections might be needed, especially when dealing with legacy files. Make adjustments as necessary to accommodate these variations. By following these steps, you can effectively embed a Klaviyo form into your Shopify store, streamlining subscriber signups and boosting customer interaction.